Hello guys, this is your host Momentum, and first of all welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So basically, as you can see on your screen, this is the chart of gold, and first of all, if you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. So before starting the analysis, it is my mandatory responsibility to start from a longer time period. So as you can see in a weekly one chart, I have told you many times, we have a zone right now. Why this zone? Why always this zone? Because this zone is very important. There are very key levels here. Why? First of all, of this level, as you can see, uh, first time the gold reject this red zone, it gave a very rapid move in the upside direction. Once again it break out this zone. After that the gold is not coming back towards this red zone, so we have confirmation of buying when the gold will give a closing above this zone, and then it will retrace here for 2 or 3 days, then it will pump back. Now why gold is not pumping? Because there are many news about the war, Israel, Iran, US and some other. So why this zone is important? One key factor I have already explained to you. Second, this is a resistance zone. Although this was acting as a support area here, but now this same area is acting as a resistance level. So now why this zone important? That's why I have already explained. So the buy will come when gold give a closing above the red zone. Otherwise then we will again, the market will struck in between this black line and a red zone. So in weekly chart frame we have got this trend line, so we have got this red zone, and let's move to day one chart frame. Okay, so this is day one, nothing important, but one thing is very clear, we have a trend line. So you need to draw the trend line just like that, so you can check out. So once again the trend line, and after that we have a major support area. Why major support area? Because gold reject this trend line, this red zone many times. The reason of rejecting was this week, this is a liquidity. Okay, so why what is this? This is a proper stop loss hunting. Why this is a stop loss hunting? Because the candle closed above the zone and continued its buy pressure. If this candle will close below the red zone, then we will have a momentum in the selling direction. Hopefully you will get this point. Now move to H4 time frame so we can find out many other little things. So in H4 I have two trend lines. One is on your screen and the second one is that trend line. So the gold is moving in a pair of trend line. So for now, for a proper buy move, the gold need to break this trend line in either direction. So if gold break in the above side, then we will have a buying towards this red zone, the upper red zone. This is a major resistance area. If somehow gold gave a closing above the zone, we will carry out our buy momentum. Otherwise we need to sell the market just below the red zone. So now if the gold retrace again, then it will again retrace on its previous support area. So now you have two confirmations. You need to buy the prices once market break the trend line toward this trend line or red zone. Otherwise you need to wait for the market to come down on this red zone, and then you can again buy towards the first line of trend line and then the second red zone. Okay, one more confirmation we are having is that the gold is not giving any move in a longer time period. Longer time period means the gold is not giving a move up 400 to 500 pips in a day because of this zone entrapment. What is this zone entrapment? You can simply buy your positions from lower area, or simply you can sell your trade from above zone to lower zone. So this was all about gold, and you need to be very caution about entering any trade in gold, because gold is very volatile nowadays due to very factors such as war news and other things. So this was all about gold. You need to break, you will wait for the breakage of this zone towards this first area of resistance. This will be a strong buy or selling zone. otherwise you need to wait for this zone towards the buy move. So this was all about gold. Hopefully this video is very informative for you. If you will need any kind of help, I am always available for you. Don't message me on weekends, otherwise I am totally available to you. So hopefully this video is very helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me into my comment section or on my telegram channel as well. Thank you very much.